Pumpkin varieties. It's autumn. The leaves are turning colour, the air's getting chilly, and pumpkins are popping up everywhere. All across the UK, pumpkins mean that autumn has truly begun. You'll spot them in supermarkets, farm shops, pumpkin patches, bright orange, bumpy and all shapes and sizes. Let's look at some of the different varieties. The carving pumpkin. You'll spot these bright orange pumpkins in supermarkets, farm shops and pumpkin patches every October. They're perfect for making spooky smiley or silly Halloween faces. Carving pumpkins look fantastic, but they're not the tastiest. Their flesh is quite stringy and watery, so once you've carved your pumpkin, it's best to cook with a smaller, sweeter pumpkin instead. Marina Di Chioggia. This pumpkin's bumpy blue-green skin makes it look a bit like a sea urchin. It's perfect for soups and roasting. Cinderella Pumpkin. This pumpkin is named after the pumpkin carriage from the fairy tale. People have been growing this variety for hundreds of years, and it's just as good for eating as it is for decoration. Red Warty Thing. This pumpkin has bright red skin and is covered in lumps and bumps, but it's super tasty inside. Be careful though if you find one at the pumpkin patch, it's tricky to cut. Baby Bear. The baby bear pumpkin is small and sweet, and its seeds are perfect for roasting into a crunchy snack. Sugar Pie. The sugar pie pumpkin is perfect for baking. It's packed with sweet, smooth flesh. It's ideal for pies, cakes, or a delicious pumpkin soup. Baby Boo. These tiny white pumpkins are called baby boos. They're just the right size for little hands to paint or decorate. Fairytale. This is the fairytale pumpkin. As it gets older, it changes from orange to a rich brown, just like magic. Hooligan. These tiny speckled pumpkins are called Hooligan pumpkins. If you hollow them out, they make perfect little bowls for serving soup. Prizewinner. Finally, the Prizewinner pumpkin. With lots of sunshine, water and care, these giants can grow to over 130 kilograms. That's about the same size as 6 school children or a small motorbike. So next time you're pumpkin picking or carving, see how many different kinds you can spot. Happy Halloween from everyone here at Twinkl.